great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.